Okay, read. What's the name of that book?
School. I see crayons. I see scissors. Oh no, give it a look. Yeah, see?
Keep going.
Look, it has a C. Watch. I see scissors.
Mom, it's getting late for bedtime.
I see books. I see desks.
Desk.
It's there. I see chair. I see kids.
Children.
What?
Children.
Children. School. I see school.
There.